Well, here is my review of these little cube system. It is so freaking easy to put together. However, it does take a little bit of skill because you can really not have it connected all the way inside. Basically, when you put these inside, what you just saw that fell, you have to put the corners deep inside of here so they can connect and click, and then you're able to push it right in. So I'm going to show you with this one. You're going to put it in the bottom one here and the side one here. So what you're going to do is connect the bottom first while putting the side one in there, and you're going to push it in all together, and that way it's really connected. So then you're going to just take your next panel or whatever you want to call it, and then you see here you have a section there in the middle, there in the middle, here in the middle, and I actually put this one back inside of its case, but you would just connect all of them together. I'm just going to put it back to where I had it. So find the center, find the center of this one as well, and then you will just push it in. As you see, I'm using the wall for leverage, and then you will come back to this side and you will just push it right on in there. Look at that, so simple and easy. And I'm gonna just put my shoes right back on top. And I mean, that's literally all you do all the way around. And on the back as well, as you can see how it's connected in the back. So yeah, it's really sturdy. I have snow boots, I have boot shoes, and I had a bunch of other stuff on here because I made a video. I wanted to look pretty, so I took it all off. But I used this thing to hold a bunch of things, and it has not fallen, and I've had this like this for over a year now. It's super clean, easy to wipe if anything falls on there. It is a little bit frosty, so you're not able to see clear through it, but it just gives you enough privacy if you did want to put personals in there, or you didn't want it to actually be like in your face. You can see what's inside of it in case you like putting away junk and stuff. But this is a good sturdy option for clothes, for shoes, and whatever else you may be looking to just have going up for storage versus a drawer or whatever. And you could put little cubes in here too. So the possibilities are endless.